Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by sorting and loading with purpose. Put whites, darks, and delicates into separate piles so colors don't transfer. This prevents rewashing. Once done, check pockets and close zippers to avoid damage and lint. Add items loosely so the drum has about 1/4 to 1/3 empty space. You need movement for effective cleaning. Measure detergent now. Use the recommended amount for load size and soil level. This avoids residue and saves water and energy. You pick the right cycle and settings to match fabric and soil. Choose delicate for delicate items, heavy for towels and jeans, or quick for small loads. The correct cycle balances wash action and time. Then set water temperature. Cold protects colors and uses less energy, while hot tackles oils and whites. Next, add detergent to its compartment and place bleach or fabric softener only in their marked dispensers. This ensures proper dilution and prevents spotting during the wash. You finish by removing clothes promptly to prevent mildew and deep wrinkles. This also keeps the machine smelling fresh. Shake garments to separate layers, hang delicates, and transfer others to the dryer or air dry according to care labels. Clean the drum gasket and dispenser periodically to avoid buildup. If the washer vibrates or stops, open and redistribute the load so items are balanced. Uneven loads cause noise and poor spin performance, and fixing balance usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.